Right, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to create an account on Cyanase Investors. We want to know how does someone come up to have an account with a Cyanase Investors. So you just have to open your app with the Cyanase Investors app, then you click. You see where there is create an account. That's why you click create an account. So when you reach this page, you click next. So this is the page where you enter your name. So mine is John Vianney. So I'll just put John Vianney, and I'll be done. So I'll say next. So this is the point where you choose your country. Where do you come from? So it's the page where you're supposed to tell us where do you come from. The reason that's why you want to know where you come from is that our systems need to know how are you going to pay your money, and we also need to verify you. Are you authentic? So it's the reason that's why we need your country. So since I come from Uganda, I'll come here and look for Uganda. Yeah, Uganda you see over here. Yes, I'll choose Uganda. Then I'll also come here, then change the country code to +256. Then I'll change the phone number to 070 56 14 853. So that's it. Then I'll put my phone number, my email address as well. So the email address is support@cyanase.com. So that's the email address I'm using. So you are supposed to use your personal email address here. The email address that you use is what you're supposed to write here. So after I confirm all the details, I press next. Yeah, so the speed at which it comes depends on how fast your internet connection is. So if you have a very fast internet connection, stuff will work out very fast. If it's very slow, it will delay. So you see, it's saying connect the internet because my internet was very slow. I'll press next again. Yeah, so it comes fast because now my internet connection is now back to normal. So this is where you confirm the contacts. It is saying, do you want to use the phone number and this email address as your credentials? You're supposed to make sure they are correct because wrong credentials will misplace your money. So since mine are correct, I'll press yes. Now we shift to the page where I'm supposed to choose my gender and the birth date. I'm a man, so I'll choose male. If female, chooses female. If you're transgender, you can choose to say custom. So I'll come to the birth date, then say 10th January 1999. So that's my birth date. Then I'll press next. So I'll come to the point where I'm supposed to choose the password. Yeah, I enter it there, and then after choosing the password, I'm supposed to agree to the terms and conditions. If you haven't read them, you can press the words. They will take you direct to our terms and conditions. You read through them. So since me have already read them and I understand how the system works, so I'll press yeah. And then I click create account. So this is the page where you verify your account. Here you are supposed to enter the code that has been sent to your email. If you read it saying verify your account, support@cyanase.com, enter verification code sent to your email. So I'm supposed to I'm supposed to enter a code sent to my email address. I'm supposed to go to my email, of course. I'll go to my Google app. Yeah. Open it. This is the email address I have registered. Refresh it. You see, it has just arrived. It's over there. Me, verification. Yeah. You see, it's saying, "Hi, John. Thanks. You've created an account with Cyanase. This is your verification code." So I'll just get this code, copy the code, then come here, paste it. So just like you've seen, at times the code takes some few minutes to come. Yeah. It may delay for a minute. Yeah. You say I tried to check for the code, but it hadn't arrived. So I was trying to browse through to see what the error was, but yeah, finally the code came. So this is I'm recording a real life scenario where you can. I mean, I'm also I'm trying to go through the same errors or some difficulties you may find. One of the difficulties you may find is that the code may take long to come, so you may experience delays. So once you get the code, you just put it over there, then you press verify account. If you don't receive the code, there is a word where you're supposed to say resend code. So this is the point where I'm supposed to add my profile picture. Here you're supposed to add your true identity, because this is money. This is not social media, or this is not TikTok or Facebook or Twitter. This is money. This is your money. So if anything happens, it starts with your true identity. So I just press the phone. Look out for my profile picture. So come to camera. So I'll use this one, and also done. After the profile picture is set, I'll say next. So then this is the point where you add your next of kin, who should be held responsible in case you're not here. Who should be around for you in case you're not here? The person that is next to your account. In case you are dead, who should claim your money? In case something happens to you, who should claim your money? So you add that person's first name. I will say Mirembe. Her last name is Regina. Mirembe Regina. Then her phone number is 070564852. My email address is Regina Mirembe at gmail.com. So for me, this is my mom. This is my mother's name. So that's her first name, second name, her phone number, and that's her email address. So once I add this email address, a notification will be sent to her to confirm whether she wants to be my next of kin. Once she confirms, a verification badge will be added to my account. So I press add. Oh, I wrote something wrong. Let me try it. Yeah, I'd skip this space. So then I say add. Yeah, so it connects. The entire process, like I said, depends on how your internet connection is. So once you use internet connection, fine, stuff will be very fast. It seems my internet connection is slow again. So I'll say add again. Yeah, you see, it's saying you confirm next of kin. Verification message has been sent to the email address. They will need to verify themselves as your next of kin. They need to confirm. It's not good to say someone's your next of kin and then they are not informed. So what if something happens and they know nothing about it? So that's why the entire process is like this. So after everything is fine, you say okay. If you need to change the details, you just come and say edit. So once you click edit, you will be in position to change their name, their phone number, and their email address. But since me, I'm so sure about that. I'll say okay. So now this is the point where you pay the membership fee. Each member at Cyanase is entitled to have a membership certificate. A membership certificate is like an agreement we have between you and us. It's it's what confirms that you are truly our member. It's what you start with to make a complaint with us. It's like your true identity at Cyanase. So if you don't have the money to pay right away, you can click pay now. If you have the money like I do, you just click. I mean, if you don't have the money, you can click pay later. If you have the money, you can click pay now. So I'll click pay now. It will take me to this. It's also trying to load depending on the internet connection, but it's a model. It's a model for paying membership certificate. So I'll pay UGX 20,000. So the amount you pay depends on which country you come from. So the system tries to customize the amount in your local currency. If you come from Kenya, the currency will be in Kenyan shillings. If you come from South Africa, the currency will be in rand. If you come from the United States, the currency will be in US dollars. So that's why you need to choose a very correct country. So I'll come here and say pay. So it's also trying to load. Yeah, all depends on your internet connection. So since yeah, it's trying to give me options here. Which options should I choose? If you feel like you can use mobile money, yeah, you use mobile money here. The kind of payment systems you will use depend on your country as well. These ones are customized for Uganda. For Uganda, you can use mobile money. You can also use pay card. You can use butter. If you're from Nigeria, you have something like 20 payment systems you can use, payment methods you can use. If you're from the United States, yeah, the same. You can also use PayPal, yeah, on the same system. It depends on which country you come from. So that's why choosing the right country is very crucial. So, me, I'm from Uganda. I'll press pay using mobile money. Mobile money is simple. I'll enter my mobile money number. Now click pay. It loads, yeah. You just have to be a little patient. So this is the point where you have to confirm your number. So just click proceed. So you wait for the one-time password, the OTP. Sorry, I sent you your number. It is taking long. I don't know why. It is taking so long to arrive. So let me repeat the entire process. I will say pay now. Maybe I entered the wrong number. Then I will say pay UGX that.